Here we are today with a John Deere tractor with air conditioning issues. It's not cooling at all, and in testing through the system we find that yes, there is some gas in the system, but however the air conditioner compressor is not engaging. Further tests back through the electrics had found through the inside cab control board that the relay that controls the air conditioner is functioning and operational, and so is the fuse that supplies that circuit. Further tests outside in tracking the wiring take us to up the back on the cab where the evaporator housing is situated. After removing the cover, we've now found that there is power to the thermostat through the yellow wire, but it's not supplying it through the thermostat, so the thermostat is faulty. Once we do supply power, it travels down that green wire, back through the pressure switch, back out through the orange, which then jumps into the blue wire, which goes all the way to our compressor clutch wiring. So the system today requires a new thermostat.